Hello everybody, my name is Ivan Vargas Carmona and this is my final project for Plaxis English Bootcamp. Now I want to introduce you to the different activities that make me up my study plan to improve each of the basic skills to learn English, starting with the most important thing, which is the vocabulary. I decided to start Duolingo application to practice 10 minutes every day. This helps me constantly learn new words and allows me to express myself better when I speak English. The activities that I do to improve my listening are focused on listening to podcasts in English on topics that interest me at least 2 times a week. And on weekends, I watch one movie or episode of my favorite series on Netflix, completely completely in English and without subtitles. And finally, I subscribe to a YouTube channel that features some interesting speech from famous personalities, which will make me feel like my listening skill have improved a lot. And now, to improve my reading, I try to read at least one news in English in the mornings. I generally prefer to do it on BBC News website, and also I have gotten one of my favorite books, which is Game of Thrones, to read it again, but in English, of course. Pronunciation. Pronunciation is one of the things that has caused me the most work to improve. But thanks to Jouglish, I had a perfect tool that allows me to practice each word that is difficult for me. And finally, I can pronounce it correctly. Uh, thank you, Yuri Jouglish. Thank you. Finally, the activities that I do to improve my writing are three. First, I join in some blogs on topics of interest to me, and I try to write some comments to the blog's authors. Also, I use the Hello Tal application that has allowed me to communicate with native speakers in English to practice my writing. And at the end of the day, I try to practice my writing a little more by writing important things that I did during the day in a notebook. Uh, this Platzi challenge to improve my English was not easy for me, really, but it helped me show myself that I can improve my English if I set my mind to do it. Thank you for that, Platzi. And remember, never stop learning.